Greetings from the British School of Oxford Group. With our mother school in England, our schools run a UK-based system following the Oxford curriculum from play school to grade 8, but importantly, with a progressive and culturally sensitive approaches. The British School of Oxford Group is currently offering franchise opportunities to individuals or organizations who would like to open an international school campus in their location. If you're interested in starting a school, or if you feel that your current school could gain from collaborating with us, please fill in the form linked to this message or contact us via WhatsApp on 0044 792 725 6484. That's 0044 792 725 6484. Or alternatively, email us at the email address shown, or for more information, check out our website, also shown below. So we look forward to working with you to make our world a better place, maybe starting in your hometown. Thank you.